Alrighty, guys. Welcome. Trading stocks is very risky. My results are not typical. Typical result of an average trader will be to lose money. Keep in mind you're accountable for your own decisions and that there's no guarantees that watching my content will improve your trading. That being said, uh, so far we're down 267 pre-market with only 2 minutes remaining. Um, I think a lot of that red was a little bit unlucky. I don't want to sound like that guy, but I had a $200 loss that should have only been 70 because I fumbled my hotkey to sell. I had an order out to sell on the bid and it got skipped. Um, and then when I went to cancel it, I accidentally added to my position. From there, I was in with more size on a stock that was plummeting when I wanted to be out. So I went to cancel the order, added it accidentally, and then from there put out an order to sell the full position like that. Um, anyway, so that $200 loss was right here on SOFO. I was in around 70s here, and I put an order out to sell at 67. Um, and then it had already gone down to 66, so my order at 67 wasn't getting filled. So I go to cancel the order, accidentally add another 600 shares at 66, and then it plummets down, and um, by the time I'm done fumbling with my hotkeys, I'm out at, let's see, where was it? What time was this? 6. Out at 56. Yeah, so I took a 10-cent loss on that last 600 shares, and it was just a bad trade. I mean, I fumbled my hotkeys. It almost never happens. But hopefully we get some action on SOFO. That's the only really gapper with any potential right now. Halt up's at 94, so a ways away. High of 71 on this candle. The thing about SOFO is it does have a lot of big buyers and big sellers, so it's pretty thickly traded. So we'll see how it looks. $73. Big sellers at 72. Right through it. Showing 77 here. Break of 80. At 71. Watching 80 one more time. There we go. 85, 90, 92 is the halt, or 92 is previous high. 205 halt up. I don't like it coming all the way back down here. We hit 90 on that candle. Should have broke 92. Watching 90. 410 on LEGJU. Watching for 420. 425 previous high. Big buyers at 405. Watching 420 break. Tracking some out at 28, no fill. Tracking some out at 22, no fill. Out at 410. Kind of bad. Morning trader community. High of 86 on my last candle. Lots of big buyers and sellers on the SOFO. It just might not be my day if we don't get anything else. Which is totally fine, we're not down too much. $301 is the VWAP on DFLI. Watching 97. Watching for 97 break up to 301. Just 96. Hidden seller at 93. See if SoFi holds that break of 83 or 80. Candle closes in 20 seconds. So far not looking like a good open. $35.50 break. Watching 40. $51 Sahota. Watching 44. XR 43. See 42 on the tape. Watch 44, 45 here. Watching 45, 46. 52 Halta. Watching 45, 50, 46. There's 50. Hit 50, 60. Watching 53 Halta. Okay, watching this break of 50 up to 53 Halta. Waiting for the pullback. Watching 49. Taking it off break even. Back in 46, watching 48 for an ad. Looking for 49.50 break. Big buyer at 46. Taking a small but slightly larger loss. Waiting. It's holding up 46 nicely. Back in for break of 49.50. Watching 50 here. Break of 50. Big seller came in, had to take it off. $40 loss. Not bad considering I had 90 or 9,600 shares. Break a 50. Just 50-40, 50-50. Taking it off. Didn't break 50 like I wanted it to, but let's see if it can get back over 50 here. Back over 48. Watching 49.50. Outbreak even. Back in 48. Out for a small loss. Watching it break down 47 here. Just don't want it to flush below 44. Buyers at 46. Getting sold into. Hidden buyer at 46. And at 47. Watching 48. 48 here. 49. Watching 50 break. On break 50 here. There's 51. Watch 52. Out the rest. Green on the day. Want this candle to hold above 50. 10 seconds left. Come on. Nope. It's done. Down to 47. That's really crappy high day break. Need to hold 50 there. There's 49.50. Is he getting back over 50 here? Take a stab back over 50. Okay, watching 52 here. Got some out at 52. Out the rest break even. Yeah, it might be done there. Two topping tails in a row. This probably needs to pull back, and then it's touching VWAP right now at 44. I don't think it. Ugh, it's bad now. Pretty bad rejection. Nice move, but bad rejection at the top. I see DFLI moving, but I don't know. I feel like I've gotten caught on this one already. Let me just pull it up on the side chart here. Yeah, I'm already down 100 on this one. Think I'll avoid it. You know, I'm actually getting close to thinking about calling it because we had a pretty weak gap scanner. Luckily we got works here, WRX, moving from 32 to 54, about a 67% move in uh, almost 10 minutes. So 67% move in 10 minutes with no halt because that's how, I mean, sub-dollar stocks are very hard to halt. They have to go up a crap ton really fast in order to halt. So you can get these really big moves on sub-dollar stocks, percentage-wise. But two topping tails in a row, I don't really have any faith in it that it's gonna hold up. Um, I don't like DFLI. Already traded pre-market and during market hours. We're at 100 on it. I don't like SOFO, which is also below VWAP now as well. So out of the gapping stocks, I don't like any of them. So I'd have to wait for high day momentum scan, and I don't know if I want to stick around for that. AHI is hitting my high day scan for break of 1. It's not too much volume though. Let me see what the level 2 looks like. It's about a 1.5 cent spread. Not good on a sub-dollar stock. We also have WETG popping up, but it's already back below VWAP. MRSN. MRSN looks like a dead cat bounce. I don't like it. MRSN looks like it's sold off 50% after hours going into pre-market. And then since pre-market, it's up like, let's see, what's the percentage on this? It's down 55% since yesterday. I have 437 technically. The pre-market chart. It's probably not worth trading. Morning, Mateo. Yeah, it was boring pre-market today as well. Um, very little action. I was trading SOFO pre-market and just got chopped around on it. Glad to be green. Romain saying NKLA. Let's see. NKLA. It's got volume. So what's the NKLA? Yeah, but the reason it's got volume is because its float is 500 million. It's Niccolo Corporation. So yeah, it's up 20%, but I wouldn't be able to trade this reliably. Um, it's got hundreds of thousands of shares on both the bid and ask. Uh, so it's gonna move it's gonna move like an ocean. I don't know. It's just not, it's not a low float. It's 500 million share float. It's not gonna move for me. So it's breaking 437 right now, MRSN. There's 40. WORX just made an attempt for a VWAP break. It broke and then back down to 40. Buyer at 40, but let's see. Does it break 40 buyer? Also, EDTX, wasn't this at like $20 pre-market? What the heck happened? Pre-market went from 20 to 30 just before the market opened. Wow. On like 60,000 shares. And then halt down. Boom. Look at that. MRSN made the break of 40 up to 50. Maybe we'll pull this one up. 71's the halt up. It broke 37. Buyer at 50, 52, that's why I'm in. Man, I got filled at 37 though, what the hell? That should not have been 37 fill. Should have been filled at 40 minimum. Alright, well, took a $100 loss. I'm gonna call it there. Take care, guys. I'm not gonna stick around to go red. Alright, see you. See you tomorrow for Friday.